So guys, if you see, he's going all over my hand right now. He must be thinking that I am some nice tree branch or I don't know what. But feeling ticklish now slowly as he's climbing. It's so ticklish. He wants to anchor along with us. He's getting close to the mic, I think. So guys, by the looks and the sound of it, I bet you guys know where we already are. If not,
then let me tell you, we are at Kookyland Birds Park.
And these all birds are so adorable.
See, look at them.
Beginning. Look at the colors, all the rainbow colors. I've never seen such beautiful colors and they are so sweet. So the Kookyland over here in Coimbatore is one of the famous places where we see all sorts of beautiful birds over here, and this is just the beginning. We're going to see more birds around and more animals too. So wait for it.
Yeah. So this cutie over here is called sun cornear.
So guys, now that we've seen the sun cornear, we can also see here the mandarin ducks and the wood ducks, which you can also see casually, but like they are really cute over here. As you can see, they are just swimming in the pond. Very adorable.
So guys, these birds are called lorikeets and the short form for them is lorry.
And you can find these lorikeets in different colors over here. There's this red lorry, there's also rainbow lorry, and a chatterback lorry is also found over here.
Don't be scared, eat it.
Look at these two kids. Yeah, so cute.
Bichare, they didn't
They are like just like हमको नहीं मिला. So sweet. So Revathi is just feeling so excited.
Yeah.
I've never seen so many colorful birds like in my life, and I never thought personally I would find these in India.
Exactly. And see, look at that
Guinea pigs also. Yeah, so they have like these cute guinea pigs also. Such cute ones. I want to like, they're so cute. I want to eat them, I think. But I won't eat them, don't worry.
Please don't. They'll make us run from here.
I'm sure about it.
So guys, this is golden pheasant. So it is basically a Chinese hen.
And guys, like since she said that this is a Chinese hen, like this entire park has all sorts of exotic birds which are not like generally found outside. So they have like all sorts of exotic birds over here, and they've not caged anyone just like that. So that is like one of the best things I think.
You'll find all these exotic birds and animals only in Kookyland Birds Park. Guys, I have Lucky Red Eyes Python with me. See, look at him. Look at his eyes.
And I have this beautiful smiley spike ball python. And if you see, he's matching my outfit.
Yeah, twinning, huh?
So guys, if you see, he's going all over my hand right now. He must be thinking that I am some nice tree branch or I don't know what. But he's definitely enjoying like going all over my skin. And the texture of his skin feels very like wet, and I don't know why it feels like he's giving me a hand massage also at the same time.
So yeah guys, you can see now he started moving. It's taking a little time to get comfortable and adjust. He's looking at me now.
I'm feeling ticklish now slowly as he's climbing. It's so ticklish.
Come.
Same feeling, it's a good feeling at the same time.
Yeah.
Feels good to be so close to like the nature and the animals. So guys, this is a macaw, and as you can see, it's an extremely exotic bird. So ma'am, what do they eat every day? What is their food? Badam. Okay, they eat all badam. So guys, that's Rocky, and this is Ruby.
This is Rambo.
Oh, this is Rambo. So this is Rambo, guys, and this is Ruby. And as she said, they are from South America.
Rambo
not from
loves
India.
my hair,
He wants to anchor along with us. He's getting
Yeah.
close to the mic, I think. Guys, as you can see that these birds and animals over here aren't exactly caged. They are free over here and they are kept so well and they are literally doing whatever they want.
So guys, if you want to see more such videos and exotic birds and animals, so please guys